O eternal souls before whom time bends and creation listens, you who are the breath within the breath, the fire within the sun, the life within all living things, I call not from desire but from alignment. I speak not from will alone, but from the Lord that governs the heaven, the earth, and the entire cosmos. By the name before names, by the power that spoke light into being, by the word that orders the stars and numbers the hairs of every head. Let restoration begin. O living intelligence, known to the ancients as the one who reveals through many faces, yet remain indivisible. You who were invoked in the temples of Kemet, you who were called upon in the sacred text of Moses, you who were known by the ancients and the elders of the Nubian and African regions as the power that restores balance. I align this soul now with the original pattern set before time and before distortion. Let the blueprint of wholeness rise not just within me, but in the soul of every one under the influence of my voice, intention, and love. The authority of divine order, I hereby summon the currents of vitality and wellness. O Earth, bearer of strength and structure, restore the bones, the flesh, and the foundations of all life. O breath, O air, carrier of spirit and clarity, renew the lungs, the blood, the rhythm of life. O eternal, sacred, and ancient fire, purifier and transformer, burn away stagnation, weakness, and decay. O strength of living waters, healer and reconciler, wash every cell, soothe every wound, return fluidity and alignment to the body and soul. I speak all elements align, realign according to their divine and sacred harmony. Ever becoming one. Hey, Ashe, I am that I am. Present before sickness, present after sickness. By the name that restores, the name that orders, the name that sustains life, I decree restoration. Let every cell remember its divine instruction. Let every organ respond to the call of wholeness. and let every hidden imbalance return to sacred symmetry. Now I invoke the current of the Ethereum, the field of luminous intelligence, where spirit and matter remember their unity. By this field, the soul is recalibrated. By this field, the body receives correction without violence. By this field, the mind returns to peace. Let vitality flow through this being as living light. Let strength rise without strain. Let healing occur without struggle. Let manifestations of renewal be without fear. Now hear this decree. In the soul of everyone under the sound of my voice and under the influence of my love, that which is fractured is made whole. That which is weakened is strengthened. That which is disordered is reordered. That which is dormant awakens. Not by force, not by haste, but by divine law and order. The law which governs the entirety of this universe without fail. As it was in the beginning, so shall it be restored now. Source of life, we declare this work sealed in peace, anchored in wisdom, and sustained in righteousness. Let the vitality of every soul coming into contact with this energy increase day by day. Let strength return naturally. Let a soul stand upright in its God-given dignity. Restoration of mental dignity and sanity. I speak this not as a wish, but as alignment. Not as hope, but as a firm and assured knowing. Amen. Ashe. So let it be. And so it is. And now, in the center of peace, harmony, soundness, love, and serenity, I bless you. I bless you. And God bless you. Amen. Shalom, love, and light as you